everyone, welcome and welcome back to All About the Mags, a channel of all vlogs. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jess, and in today's video is a cooking video. I will be frying some whole catfish. I'm gonna cook some shrimp along with some grits and eggs, y'all. If you know about that type of meal, let me know in the comments. I'm telling you, nothing good than some good fried fish and grits and some shrimp and grits, and you got to have your little eggs on the side. Let me know if you know about that. But anyway, I already cleaned my shrimp and I'm about to season them. And this is what I'm seasoning with. These are the seasonings that I am using. Please use the seasonings of your preference though. The amount of seasonings that you want to use, little bit, or if you want to use a lot, that's up to you. That's your business. Go ahead and do it how you do it. But I'm just showing you how just doing it over here, okay? Now that I have my shrimp all seasoned up, I'm gonna sit those to the side. And now I'm going to season my catfish. My catfish already washed and I had it, draining to drain off all the excess water. The only ingredients I'm using is accent, salt, and pepper. That's it. Accent, salt, and black pepper. And I'm going to season them really, really good. Once I got all my seasons on them, I rub it in really well on both sides and all in at the top inside. Just rub them in really well. Y'all know I hate this. I hate touching food. But I'm out of gloves, y'all. But this was really, oh, this had me because I hate doing this with my bare hands. But anyway, here go my fish all seasoned. Now I'm about to go ahead and drop a little butter. You know, butter makes everything taste good. Just a little pinch, that's all. And then I'm going to drop in my seasoned shrimp. Now I'm going over here to my grits. I have my grits going. My phone actually died, y'all. So I couldn't show you me, you know, washing my grits. And I do wash my grits. I know some people don't, and that's fine. That's what you do over your house. But I do wash my grits. But what I had in here is just salt and butter. That's it. Just salt and butter. And then later on, I'm going to add cheese. I'm going to coat my fish in some yellow cornmeal. Shake it around, make sure everything is coated really well. And then I'm going to shake off all the excess cornmeal before I drop them in the hot grease. And I'm just going randomly, periodically to my grits and keep stirring it and whisking it so it won't get stiff. Grease is all hot, and as you can see, I'm in here just getting these bad boys in the grease. Going back to my grits and stirring it around. I don't like it soup and I don't like it too thick, so this is perfect right here. I didn't show my eggs on the video because again my phone died, but here's the finished product. This is my grits, eggs, and shrimp. And now I'm pulling my fish out. See how that look all crispy? Yes. So I'm going to put it on the rack and I'm going to plate it. And here go my fish, y'all. It was so good. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed and you like our content, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to check out all of my links to the merch products, TikTok Shop, Amazon storefront, and all platforms linked in the description or the bio. Or you can just go to here to my Beacon app where I house all of my links in one place. Remember, God is always with you, and you can do all things through Christ who give you the strength. And just like I tell my family, God got you and you got this. Whatever your this is, I'll see you next video. Bye.